Today we're gonna talk about some plugins to remove the harshness from your sound, so come with me. But before we enter the project, I want to show you guys my ebook. There are more than 57 pages explaining all the concepts and techniques related of mixing and mastering. It's for free, and this is my gift for you who wants to improve your skills in mixing and mastering. So enjoy. Okay guys, so here I have the track from Vinny, call it Better Than Sex. It's a collaboration with FABRIEK. It's an amazing track. I will leave the link in the description for you guys. Just let's take a very quickly listen, as I'm always do, just to feel the track, feel the vibe, and then we're gonna enter in our class today.
This is better than sex.
Okay, an amazing track from him and from Pri also. So that's not the question today, because we're gonna talk about some frequencies that are so annoying, and sometimes we don't want to use like equalizers to attenuate some resonances. So we have some options. Today I'm gonna show you two that I use a lot. For me are the best for this purpose. So first we have here the clap. We can hear it's have a lot of some annoying resonance, and it's very harsh, and it's hard to hear because every time it hits like our eyes, sorry. This close a little bit. So let's hear how it sounds first. Yeah, very annoying. So we have two plugins that we can use here. First is this BX Refinement from Brainworks. This version is from UAD, but don't worry, you have the same version from Plugin Alliance, so you don't have to have a UAD. So that's why I'm recording and using this one, because it's available for everybody. You can like buy it directly from Plugin Alliance. Any other one is the Spectral Shaper that I really love. I will use the refinement first because it's like more good to go. You can just move this button here, the dumping. The dumping, it's the button that you're going to use to apply the process that you want. So the more you push, the more process you're gonna put in your sound. You have here soft or hard. You have here those parts for saturation. If you like reduce a lot, you can add a little bit of saturation. You can add a little bit of presence. Also, you have the option to make parallel, and you also have the option to use only mid or only mid side. Here you have like the damping modulation. You can use it as a dynamics. We can use it here on this clap. You're gonna see how it works. And we have the oscillator, but we're not gonna use the oscillator. It's very easy. It's just one button. We're ready. I will leave these guys here in 0. We're gonna use on mid side, and let's see. So it's amazing. It's very easy to use it. It's very handy. Like when you're producing and you don't want it to lose time, it's very good because you just put it there and make the damping. If you want, if you will, you can like add some presence, like to enhance again those parts that will remove it, and you remove that harshness. So yeah, it's what it means. You know, it's a harshness control. We use it only on mid. I put the soft one and I add a little bit of presence. So now we're gonna use the dynamic part, and let's see how it works. works beautiful. Also, you can hear the difference. We just removed that annoying sound, and we add more vibe to the sound. We add we add a little bit of saturation. We put more presence, and for this kind of elements like the clap, it works really good on dynamics. Okay, so that's it. And also we can use the Spectral Shaper. That's amazing for this kind of purpose too. We can select the frequency range that we want and apply the process, and it's done. Also works very good. You can hear like the way that we are just removing that annoying frequency. And the difference here, you don't have like the presence or the saturation knob to add those add that vibe back, but you can just like add a EQ after that and enhance those frequencies. It's gonna work lovely too. Okay, so the other scenario that I wanted to show, it's from a lead, a synth, and we have this synth that is very also annoying those frequencies. It's very harsh, and we can use both to control those parts. Whoa, you can see how the dynamics works very, very good. Also in synths, he was just moving with those more strong parts that were annoying us, and remove all the harsh from it, and it sounds really good. We added saturation, we added presence, and now we were like full the process, like 100% in the mix, and it sounds amazing. That's why this is one of the best plugins for harshness control. And also we can use the Spectral Shaper. Okay guys, before I press play and press the solo, watch out your ears, because this is gonna be very loud and very annoying, so watch out with the volume. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, it works very well, but in both of the explanations here, both of the examples, I think we have the winner. It wasn't a competition, I was just showing you guys like the options that we have, and for me in this both cases the refinement works very good. It works very smoothly, and the thing that we have the control to add more after we reduce, and that's awesome. In the same plugin, it's a very handy. So here, if the Spectral Shaper, we're probably gonna have to add another saturation or another EQ, like to compensate those regions that we remove it. So that's it guys, hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, why not, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.